Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. In this video, we will talk about meaningful and fun ways to use technology for teaching and learning. There are so many ways to make teaching and learning become meaningful and fun. One of them is reinforce it in exit ticket activity. But before we explain what is the exit ticket means, first of all, let me tell you guys the member of my group. The first one is Nurul Khaliza Heria. The second one is Atifa Dila Samsuri. The third one is me, Nurul Fauzia. The fourth one is Sulfitriani L. And the last one is Musona Ayu Kurnia. Okay, I think that's all from the member of my group. And let's move to the material. So, first of all, what is exit ticket means? Just like the name, exit ticket is where the student answer a few questions before leaving the class. This exit ticket can be variety, like multiple choice questions, essay, true or false, and etc. Although this quiz is meant for students, but actually the result of this quiz is used by the teacher to evaluate whether the student can absorb the material or not. In addition, this is the quiz at the end of the session to make students can remember the material and strengthen their understanding. Okay, I think that's all from me. The next material will be explained by Nurul Khaliza Khairia. The time is yours.
There are many technology tools that are great for creating exit ticket activities. Quote from teachtalk.com page, there are 18 tools that can be used to create exit tickets. So, the first one is Ziplet. Ziplet is one of the digital exit tools that can check students' understanding from lessons and also allow students to reflect on the materials. And the second one is Google Form. This tool can help teachers to make variety of question types like multiple choice, essay, true or false, or even including the questions with image or video from YouTube. Then, students can submit requests to participate via email and shareable link. And the next is Socrative. Socrative allows teachers to see how the student answers the question in real time. Also, teachers and students can make decisions for the next lesson. And the next is hand signal. Just like the name, hand signal are simply just hand gesture and not digital tools, but we can use this as a signal where we are in the class.
Alright, thank you very much for Nurul Khaliza Khairia. The next material will be explained by Sulfitriani L. The time is yours.
Well, the next application is Plickers. Students can provide the answer to the teacher while using Plickers card. The teacher can text student response and the application will help to collect and report the information. The next is Flipgrid. This tool is a good choice if you want to the student to create short summarize. 3 things I remember, 2 questions I have, and 1 thing I found interesting and etc. through video prompt. It can share or create videos without worrying about privacy and visibility. And the next is iExcel. iExcel is an adaptive learning platform that is content-based, meaning the content and lessons are there, and as a teacher, it just need to assign and access their knowledge from the content. And then next application is Kahoot. Kahoot is a game based formative assessment. This game can make learning and answering become fun and challenging. Next is Google Classroom. This tool is really useful not only to make the question to student, it can also manage the data in real time, and it's also to make the learning process simple for teachers. I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much for Zulfitriani L. The next material will be explained by Muhsona Ayu Kurnia. The time is yours.
Okay, next 10. VoiceThread. VoiceThread will run in the web browser and on almost any internet connection. Upload, share, and discuss documents, presentations, image, audio files, and videos. This application really supports the language learning process. Next, 12. 11. Padlet. This application provides us an online post-it board that can be shared with any student and teacher by giving them a unique Padlet link. It can be used by teachers and students to learn everything. Next, 12. Mentimeter. This application gives every student a chance to voice their opinion. It can be used to test student knowledge, gather feedback, and ask them to reflect something. Next, 13. Dotstorming. Dotstorming is a space for real-time group brainstorming and decision-making based on the developers. People can post it on the websites, vote and comment on it, and the results are shown in real time.
Okay, thank you very much for Muhsona Ayu Kurnia. The next material will be explained by Atifa Dila Samsuri. The time is yours.
Alright, the next application is Edpuzzle. This is a web-based tool for editing online video and adding interactive content to target specific learning objectives. The Edpuzzle flipped classroom basically consists of assigning your students video lessons to watch at home and using class time for more meaningful activities. Next, 15. Twitter. Twitter can be used as a great tool for learning language because of its features. We can personalize hashtags and use it to talk about materials with our students. The poll feature also can be useful as a quiz that tests students' understanding. Next, 16 is GoFormative. Formative, which is also known as GoFormative, is a web-based tool that allows teachers to create digital formative assessment, tests, or assignments that are easily accessible from any electronic devices such as laptop, tablet, and smartphone. And 17. Peer Deck. This is an interactive presentation tool used to actively engage students in individual and social learning. It has unlimited storage for 100% students' engagement and real-time formative assessment. And the last is Pool Everywhere. This is an online service that allows teachers to ask their students, but the questions and the students' answer will be displayed live in the Keynote, PowerPoint, or website. Maybe that's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Alright, I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much for all the kind attention and humbleness. But before you guys stop watching this video, let me simulate one of the Mentimeter tools, and that is Mentimeter. Alright, there are many ways to make students to enter this quiz. The first one is click the link to enter the simulation. Number two is scan the QR code, and number 3 is student can also type in their own browser www.menti.com and submit the unique code to enter the simulation. After that, the student will see the question and the column answer. If the student will submit their answer, their text will be appear in the main screen. There are also different questions with different style, like this example, where the student has been given the multiple choice question, and if all the members of the class already answer the question, then the score will be appear. This method is great if the teacher wants to see the student answer in real time. And also the student can see their score directly. Teacher can also ask the student to share their idea, opinion, or their reason about something. This style can use if we want to brainstorming the whole class. Alright, I think that's our simulation. Thank you very much for you guys who helped us to make this simulation successful. We really appreciate it. And thank you very much for you guys too who watching this video till the end. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.